Welcome to today's tutorial, which is going to be all about how to dye sinamay. Very useful if you haven't got the colour that you need to hand, and good for custom orders, etc. So we're going to talk about the dyes first. Now we're going to be using Procyon dye, which is used for natural plant-based fibres such as straw, cotton, paper, viscose, hemp, etc. Acid dye, the other type of dye, is used for protein fibres, fur, feather, wool, silk. So if you think acid animal, Procyon plant, you should be okay and you can work forward from there. So Procyon dye is what we're going to be using. Now I buy mine literally just in little bags off eBay. I don't buy any particular special dye because it's used a lot for a lot of things. So here's what we're going to need. We're going to need the Procyon dye, soda crystals, table salt, a pot for mixing in, rubber gloves, definitely a must, scales, and the sinamay. Now I'm using just a natural white colour sinamay here. It's not a bleached white, but it works well with white or a very natural colour. You can dye over another colour, but obviously you have to work out what colour you want as your end result because the effects will be different. So if you're putting blue onto a yellow sinamay, you'll end up with green sinamay, for example. So before we do anything, we're going to wash the sinamay. It is stiffened sinamay, but you want to wash it in hot water until it's soft so that we can dye it easily. Now we're going to need hot water, so as I've got a bowl full there, I'll probably save some. Now we're going to weigh out our dye. I'm probably going to use about 4 or 5 grams for this project. So I'm weighing out my dye into a container. Make sure it's a container that won't absorb the dye. So I'm just using an old plastic tub here. Make sure you put your rubber gloves on because you will end up with very red hands otherwise. I'm using a scarlet dye here. And then you're going to mix the dye with a little bit of hot water and mix it really well so you haven't got any lumps and clogs. Then we're going to go back to our hot water in the sink. I'm going to pour about 60 grams of table salt in, stir that round till it dissolves. And then I'm going to mix in the dye. So the dye and the salts are in the hot water and I mix them thoroughly, make sure they're totally dissolved. And then I'm going to add my wet fabric. Now you need to leave this to soak for a long time, but you need to keep pushing it down, turning it round so that you get an even dye. There will come a point where the straw just won't absorb any more colour. So when you get to that point, take the fabric out, put it to one side. Then I'm putting about 30 grams of soda crystals in the water, stirring that round till it dissolves and putting the fabric back. Now the soda crystals will affect the colour slightly. They'll make it slightly darker, so be aware of that. Once it's soaked for as long as I want it, which in this case was about 15 minutes, I've now got to rinse it until the sinamay becomes clear, the water becomes clear. So rinse really well, rinse it right out till the water becomes clear, and then I just hang it on the line in the garden to dry. Now the good thing is it doesn't take very long to dry. The straw itself isn't terribly wet and it soon drains and dries off. Don't forget that you can mix your colours, you can practice mixing colours. I normally keep in the cupboard the primary colours and some black so that I can make most colours out of red, green, red, yellow and blue, and use a bit of black to make things darker. So, and I also use it for painting on sinamay as well, but I don't bother with the salt and the soda crystals for that. Soda crystals can be bought in any supermarket, as obviously can table salt. And as I say, the dye comes normally in like 10-gram packets or 30-gram packets or things like that. Doesn't cost very much. So once it's dried and you bring it indoors, you go, oh, I don't like the colour of that. It will look incredibly pale, especially with this colour. But as soon as you run a hot iron over it, you'll see the true colour come through. So this This was still a little bit damp when I took it off the line. There were odd areas where it hadn't dried, but I wanted to get the video done for you. So keep ironing all over your piece of sinamay. Now, because this was still a bit damp, some splodges of dye went through to the fabric underneath. So be aware, don't do this on your best ironing board or your best tablecloth or anything like that. So iron it all over and we should have a lovely scarlet piece of sinamay ready for our next project. I love the way it changes colour. It's like magic. It's like magic painting. So, yeah, all over. And it's nice and dry and it's still stiff. It hasn't lost its stiffness. I probably won't have to stiffen this sinamay. So there it is, scarlet. And I'm going to put it together with some other red printed sinamay that I've got, and that will be our next project video. So look forward to showing you what we make. Thanks very much. Take care. Please subscribe. See you soon. Bye.